Hi, everyone. My name is Michelle Belasker. I'm the director for the Midwest Invasive Plant Network and the administrator for the Upper Midwest Invasive Species Conference, taking place this year in Duluth, Minnesota, November 12th through 14th, and virtually. We're looking forward to your participation, and this is just a quick tutorial on using EventMobi, which is our conference platform. And this information will be relevant whether you're attending in Duluth or attending virtually. Generally, we recommend if you are attending virtually that to access the live stream, you go to eventmobi.com and log in here. If you are going to be in Duluth, it's going to probably be more convenient to download the app to your smart device and use the app that way. So let's see what this looks like. In order to log in, you do need to know the conference event code, which is simply, whoops, all caps, UMISC 2024. And important information, you do need, the first time you log in, you will need the email that you use to register for the event. If you have more than one email, like I do, try different email addresses. If you're not able to connect for some reason, please get in touch with me and let me know as soon as possible. You can reach me at admin@umisc.net. So this is what our platform looks like this year. First thing we recommend that you do when you log in the first time is to go to your profile and just get this edited. You can add a photo of yourself, which is really nice to help with networking, or just any professional image is nice. And you can add as much information about yourself as you like. You can do a bio. If you're representing an agency or organization, feel free to add those links and just make sure that you save it. Another thing I'll point out here is you can go to your preferences, and there are all these different toggles. I recommend keeping all of them on. This ensures that you get messages from conference staff if there are any changes or technical issues. It also lets other attendees contact you. So not required, but it's a nice way, again, to encourage networking and make sure you have relevant information about the conference. The other thing that you can do this well before the conference begins, is you can create your own personalized agenda. You see I've added a couple of things here already. Um, and I will show you how to do that. If we go over here to join sessions, I'm going to click on all here. You can see all of the sessions that we are offering throughout the conference. Any sessions that you want to add, all you need to do is simply click on the calendar icon on the far right. So I'm adding this workshop. And if I go back to my agenda, you see it's showing up right here. Do be aware that it will allow you to add sessions even if they conflict, if they're offered at the same time. So just good to be aware of that. Now, we have a lot of content that we're offering at UMISC, and this can be a lot to scroll through. So there are several different ways to kind of look at and process this information. You can, again, if you have all clicked, you can then apply a filter. If you say, well, I just want to see when the plenary presentations are, and that'll reduce significantly what you're looking at. You can also click on individual days and see what's offered. So for example, if you want to know if you're attending on the 12th and you want to know if there are any, let's say, terrestrial sessions taking place that day, there you go. And that'll pull out what you're looking for. One thing to be aware of is if you're toggled on all and you hit the filter, if you're trying to figure out like which aquatic sessions are offered on Wednesday morning, if you do that, be aware it's going to show you all the aquatic sessions and all of the Wednesday morning sessions. So it's a combination. So a better way to do that, I'm going to clear the filter here, would be to go to Wednesday and then apply that aquatic filter. And then you will see just aquatic sessions. Oops, let me try that again. So we can see that properly. And there you go. Now you're just seeing aquatic sessions on Wednesday morning. So just to help you understand how to use that effectively. You can also go to over here on the left to our daily agenda, and that's just another way to see the same information. You can just see, I just want to know what's going on Wednesday morning. You can click on that, and this will, again, be a little bit less to sort through. When you are ready to actually join a live stream session, you simply click on the session of choice, and this is where you will just point and click and start the live stream. You can take notes and send them to yourself afterwards. You can participate, in a chat and converse with other attendees. If you want to ask a question though, and this applies to both people in Duluth and attending virtually, we do ask that you use the Q&A function to put in your question. That way, we make sure we hear equally from both our remote and in-person audience. And you can upvote questions. So if somebody's already asked what you want to know, you can just upvote that, and that really helps the moderators know which questions to prioritize relaying to the speaker. Also, while you're in here, you can see a list of who's speaking. You can connect with them. And then there is a place here to take a post-session survey. Please take those. They really help us kind of curate future conferences, know what's resonating and what's not. And it's really quick. There are 3 questions. It's a star rating. We try to make it really easy for you to complete those for us. Okay. We also will have a post-conference evaluation that we really appreciate you filling out too. So when your conference experience is finished, whether that's one day or a full conference, we really encourage you to complete that. And again, let us know about your experience and what you'd like to see at future events. And we also have a specialized survey for our exhibitors. We want to make sure we're giving you a good experience with UMISC, and we really appreciate your feedback. All right, let's go back to the homepage. Again, clicking on agenda, it's just another way to see this daily agenda list that's over here. So it's just another way to access the same information. Joining the live stream will also take you to the list of sessions. Again, you would just click on that, click on this to start the live stream. We also have a virtual exhibit hall. So we have a lot of different exhibitors and sponsors coming to talk about their work and their services and their products. And we don't want our virtual attendees to miss out on that. So you can go here and see all of the different exhibitors and what they have to offer. And if you click on this, you'll see you can learn a little bit about that organization, best ways to connect with them. And in the case of Earned Seeds, they've also put in a really helpful button here if you want to request or download their seed catalog. It also shows what sessions they're sponsoring and who you can contact for more information. And I know Greg's going to be at the conference, so definitely talk to him. Okay. In addition to our virtual exhibit hall, we also have a virtual poster hall. We have 36 posters this year. We're really excited about all this great content. And if you want to, again, if you're a virtual attendee, we don't want you to miss out. You can read the abstract and you can access the poster. And we will also be adding the author's information here so that you can connect with them if you have any questions or want to discuss their work. We are having another UMISC art show. We've had a lot of interest this year. I'm really excited about the pieces that are going to be on display, and we'll also have those images uploaded so our virtual attendees can enjoy those. We have directories here so you can connect with speakers, other attendees, reach out to staff. And then we have a couple different discussion boards set up. So this one is just kind of general. You can just network with other conference goers, just always keep it professional, of course. And then new this year, we're really trying to encourage the sharing of job opportunities and have a job discussion board. So this here is the job discussion board. And this is just a place, you know, if you are an exhibitor and maybe you're hiring, you can have a posting on your personal sponsor page, and then you can use the board to maybe direct people to that so they're aware of it. But also anyone can use this. So if your organization is hiring or you're looking for a specific type of work, you can chat about that. You can share links to opportunities. We hope people will really take advantage of that. If you are with an organization and you have a job posting to share, but you don't have a sponsor page or an exhibitor page to utilize, you can send that posting to me and I can upload it here along with some of our other conference documents like our agenda, presentation list, and more. Okay. Last thing, the Duluth Entertainment Conference Center is a very large place. I do just want to take a second here and show you that we do have maps of the premises. I'm going to focus on this one for a minute so you can get a sense of the scale of the place. Um, we are on the city side of the convention center, and right here is entrance B. That is going to be the main entrance. So if you're coming in person, just good to be aware you're looking for the city side, entrance B. And there's also information being emailed to everyone with information about parking and things like that. So we hope that that will help provide some additional clarity. If you have any issues with accessing the app, utilizing the app, um, please again, reach out to me, admin@umisc.net, and we look forward to seeing you very soon. All right, thank you.